Audrey Aprianti, usually called Audrey. I live in Sangkrah, Pasar Kliwon. The reason I entered Kusuma Husada University was because the university had the good health faculty. I chose the 3 diploma nursing study program. The reason I chose the 3 diploma nursing study program was because of the broad job prospect, theory and practical, and also to continue my previous level. That's all my introduction. If anything is missing, I apologize and thank you.